to my studio. I hope you're having a great day. It is almost Christmas time. This is going to be my last piece of the year, so I hope you enjoy it. We are going to work again on that botanical abstract and see if we can get it a little better this time. All right, let's get down to the canvas and have some fun. Okay, so for our painting today, I'm again going to use my paddle brushes. And I'm going to do something I've never done before. I'm going to use ready to pour paints. Now these are by Deco Art, Fluid Art Ready to Pour Acrylics. I have white, I have silver metallic, I have true blue, deep turquoise, and sky blue. I also have a few other colors on the side if I decide to add them, and if I do, I'll tell you what they are. But those are the ones that I picked. I have a 16 by 20 canvas, and we're going to get started in just a sec. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is we want to make sure we have a nice damp canvas. So I'm just going to coat the whole thing with some water from my little misty bottle here. Get it nice and wet. That's going to help our paint flow. Make sure my brush is damp. I'm just going to give that a quick back and forth. All right, and I think what I want to do first is just put a bit of a wash around the background. Now this paint, I have not diluted it at all because it's extremely thin. I may change my mind, but as you will see, it is really thin coming right out of the bottle. So I want to give us a bit of a dark background this time. All the way dry. I just don't want it so wet that it's sort of blending that color into the colors I'm adding too much. Okay, I let this completely dry. I fixed some of the background. And I think I'm just going to add a little bit more just for shading. I'm putting very little paint on the brush because I just want to get little hints of the color and not. I decided that this needed a little something more, so my stencil is refusing to stick. So I cut out this stencil. I cut the outer part in plastic, and then I've stuck some of the inner parts in. And we're just gonna try. I've got some colors here. I've got Folk Art Treasure Gold in green gold and in copper. I've got Liquitex Basics in Hooker's Green. I've got Arteza Burnt Umber, and I've got my Deco Art ready to paint in K Green. And I've mixed all of those with some gloss gel to make them a little thicker. And we're just gonna give it a whirl. I'm gonna paint lightly with my colors, even though they've got the gloss gel, with sort of a stamper just to push the color on to start with, and we'll see how it works. And after I get some of them done, I'll pull those stencils off and sort of fill in those stencil areas. Now we're going to pull all this off very carefully, and then we'll come back when he dries to do the rest. All right, we got to let him dry, and then we will come back and play some more. Okay, this is now pretty much dry, and we're going to work on filling in the rest of our stencil area where the stencil was covering up. So I've got some of that K green paint mixed up with a little gel to make it a little thicker, and we're just going to brush paint this in. we're going to let him dry, and then we'll give you some final results. Okay, we have the final dry results on our Under the Sea. And I am really, really happy. I think the colors came out great. I love little Mr. Turtle. I think he was a great little embellishment. I love the way that the silver is really popping in the light blue. It's got a lot of shine and shimmer. Oh, very happy. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload more videos. Now, this is part of our Friday with Friends, and this is our last episode of Friday with Friends for 2023. So I want to wish you all a wonderful holiday season. Now, please follow along the train. After me is Janet with Acrylic Creations by Jwitty, followed by Betty with Oak by Betina. Happy holidays to you all, and I'll see you all in 2024.